What the device that you use says about you. Let's go! Number 1 is an iPad or a tablet. If you use one of these, you are definitely under the age of 10. Like, bro, you just love sitting on your tablet or your iPad just watching Skibbity Toilet all day long. And you definitely do family roleplays with your Roblox girlfriend that's literally 6 years old. Number 2 is a phone. Now, this is just normal. Everyone's supposed to have a phone to call people, text people, play games, or literally whatever they want. So if you use a phone, there's nothing wrong with you. You're just a normal person. Number 3 is a PC. If you use a PC, you are really chill. You just mind your business sitting on your PC and you don't bother anyone. And they are also almost never toxic. And this is probably why I just love PC users. Now, last but not least is a flip phone. Now, if you use a flip phone, you are definitely a retired 56-year-old man. Because ain't no way that you still have a flip phone. Like, bro, just get an